Welcome to your dream beach house, a coastal paradise where every detail is designed for luxury and relaxation. Let us take you on a tour of this stunning 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with breathtaking views of the ocean. Nestled between the Intercoastal Waterway and the Atlantic Ocean, this quaint peninsula is home to a small, laid-back beach community. Just minutes from downtown New Smyrna Beach and literally feet from the wildlife-rich Canaveral National Seashore. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by the expansive windows overlooking the ocean. This home is not just beautiful. It's built to withstand Category 4 hurricanes, meeting Miami-Dade hurricane codes. The windows are also certified by the Sea Turtle Society, ensuring the protection of these magnificent creatures, who also call this beach home every year during laying season. The main upper floor hosts a master bedroom and offers unparalleled views with built-in closets and a modern walk-in shower with a full-body jet sprayer and a rain shower head. The large guest bedroom with built-in closets is perfect for your guests, and the loft above is a haven for the kids to play video games, enjoy popcorn, and sip root beer. The kitchen boasts high-end appliances, quartz countertops, and a custom 8-person glass dining table with a custom chandelier offering perfect lighting. The 16-foot wall of glass in the living area offers a breathtaking view of the swim spa, gazebo, and your private beach. The 15-foot Michael Phelps designed swim spa is a true highlight, with back jets, LED lighting, and a unique, unobstructed view of the ocean. Outside, the main deck leads to the gazebo, surrounded by medical-grade stainless steel cabling, an outdoor shower, and storage areas perfect for all beach stuff, a perfect spot for outdoor entertaining. Descending the spiral staircase to the lower level, you will find another master bedroom, a den for your teenage gamers, a guest bedroom, and a third modern bathroom with an indulgent shower system. The outdoor landscaping is designed for minimal maintenance with no grass and spotlights on a timer for added convenience. And here's the icing on the cake. The 2-megawatt solar panel array manufactured by SunPower has eliminated utility bills and even earns you a yearly surplus check. But that's not all. This home utilizes expandable spray-in insulation for cooling and heating with recently replaced air conditioners and the potential for a long-term tenant, providing you with extra income. Built and designed by native Floridians, this beach house combines beauty, luxury, and storm resilience. Experience the beachfront lifestyle you've always dreamed of.